Welcome back to PowMr channel. Here's how to quickly complete the battery charging setup for the POW-RV series solar charge controller. After connecting the battery, simply turn the rotary dial on the front panel to match your battery type. For example, if we're using a 12.8V lithium iron phosphate battery, we need to turn the dial to L04. Here's what each option means. SEL stands for solid lead-acid battery. GEL stands for GL solid lead-acid battery. FLD stands for flooded lead-acid battery. L04 stands for 4-cell lithium iron phosphate battery. L08 stands for 8-cell lithium iron phosphate battery. If your battery type is not one of these 5, select USE. This option allows you to customize the charging parameters. After turning the dial to USE, go to the Charging Parameter menu on the remote display, then refer to your battery's datasheet and set the charging values accordingly. That's all. Your battery charging parameters are now correctly configured.